Hello, my name is David Forstick with Cypress Systems, and today I'll be showing you how to properly replace a dead battery in the LoRa Wireless Pneumatic Thermostats. First, carefully take out the dead battery and be sure not to bend the connecting pins. Accidentally bending these pins could damage the WPT, so you want to be extra careful. Once the battery has been removed, wait about 10 seconds, then plug the new battery into the connecting pins at the top right of the WPT. You'll notice there is a gap in the middle of the connecting pins. Make sure to line that up with the gap in the battery plug, as the connector will only fit one way. Once the new battery is plugged into the WPT, the screen should now turn on. Now, in order to reset the battery level display on the WPT, you'll need to press the reset button on the top of the WPT underneath the plastic casing, which is shown here. You'll need a small tool in order to reach it, and I typically use the same tool that's used to unscrew the front cover of the WPT. Now that you have the new battery plugged in and the screen is back on, press and hold the middle button on the LCD screen. While holding the middle button of the LCD screen, press the reset button. This will reset the battery level counter, and you should see the battery icon on the LCD screen go back to full.